What's up with it, Locked In fam? Welcome back to another episode of Locked In with Trey, and today we are going to talk about how you can take your hair from going from starter locks to looking like this, and these are just 3 weeks, you know what I mean? So they look more mature than 3 weeks. So if you want to take your hair from looking like this to looking like this right here, like you've had them for almost a year, hey, stay tuned. Okay fam, first and foremost, let's talk about hygiene. Even though it doesn't have much to do with, making your hair look more mature, but it can play a part in how healthy it looks, and I feel like it all goes together, you know what I mean? So first and foremost, you need to be drinking water. You feel me? Player, drink you some water. This right here, we looking at, it don't even have a gallon size, but it's over a gallon, I feel like, you know what I mean? It's a lot bigger, not a lot bigger, but it's bigger than a milk jug, you feel me? So you need to get you some water, and I got this one right here from Amazon. It says bottle on the side of it, you know what I mean? But go to Amazon, search water bottle, and when you see this one, get it. They come in different colors too. So water is important, you know what I mean? You need to be drinking water for good hair growth and all of that, and that's all gonna make your hair stand out more and look better. Secondly, collagen. You can get this from Target, Walmart, you know what I mean? This is the super collagen. Serving size is 6. This a lot, you know what I mean? 6, that's kind of a lot, for pills or whatever. This is the size of the pill. Let me show you real quick so y'all can see. Boom, right here. That's the size of the pill right there. It looked like it got a question mark on it, like, you know what you taking? Nah, this collagen, you know what I mean? That's actually a C with a dot on it, you know what I mean? I don't know why they put the dot there. It could be a question mark. I don't know what I'm taking. Ugh. Now, collagen is similar to biotin in a way. It helps with bone growth. It helps with, hair growth, all of that, you know what I mean? And it helps you not look so old, you know what I mean? Like if you're getting up in age and you want to maintain that youthfulness, you know what I'm saying? Hey, get you some collagen and it's gonna get you right. Biotin too, you can't go wrong with the biotin. I don't have that on me right now. I think it's in the bathroom, but I got the 10,000 mcg, you know what I mean? Now, you don't really need, so much mcg, I think 10 to 15,000 is perfect. And this right here, this collagen actually has biotin and it's 5,000 mcg. So, you know what I mean? I'm getting at least 15,000 on the daily, you feel me? Or more, because I take 2 of the 10,000 biotin mcg, and then I take, my portion of this. So I'm looking at about, 25,000, mcg on the biotin levels. But hey, I can't complain, you know what I mean? But hygiene is very, very important. That's all I'm saying. So get your vitamins, take your multivitamin, get your collagen, get your biotin, and make sure you drink your water. Now for the main course meal, you know what I mean? The way you can get your hair from looking like you just started or looking like wherever you at, 3 weeks, that's where I'm at right now, but it don't look like that, of course, is the handy dandy crochet hook. I cannot stress it enough, you know what I'm saying? The instant locks, crochet hooking is the way, you know what I mean? And like I said in my other videos, it's the 0.5 mm right there, and they come with the single hook, the double hook, and the triple hook, you know what I mean? I bought the whole pack, you know what I'm saying? It came in 3, Amazon. Check it out. Hey, I might even put the link in the description, you know what I mean? So check that out and know where to buy it. It's not an affiliate link. It's just, from me to you. You're welcome. Crochet hooking is one of many methods on how to get instant locks. You got interlocking, you got, just, the regular way with locking gels and stuff like that. But this has been my favorite method for sure. And I'm sure there's other ways, you know what I mean? But those 3 is what I'm most, known about. And the crochet hook, man, you can't go wrong with the crochet hook. It's easy. It got the little hooks on the end. Let me see if y'all can see that right there. Focus. Y'all see those? It's kind of a hook. Yeah, there you go. See them hooks? That's how you use it, you know what I'm saying? You want the hooks to be facing in. You can have it however you want, but it works best for me when I have the hooks facing towards me. And I go in, let me see, grab some locks, go in and out, go all the way down and twist as I go from start to finish. You know what I'm saying? And it cleans it up. It cleans it up real good. You want to grab the base, grab close to the scalp, start going in and out and twist as you go. You know what I'm saying? All the way down. You know, I'm not a professional at this crochet hooking, but like I did this myself, you feel me? So I know a little something. I've been doing it for a while. But yeah, for my new locks, these just 3 weeks old, and this is all I use right here. And as for retwisting your hair, I have yet to retwist my hair, you know what I mean? Because it's still at the beginning stages. And I just crocheted my hair 3 weeks ago, so I'm still at the beginning stages for real. But hey, y'all see it, you know what I mean? Got the Killmonger style, you know? Well, can't complain, you feel me? And also, I have my old set of locks right here. It's a bag of them right there. You know what I mean? Let me pull one out so y'all can see it. It's crazy. Boom. Old set of locks right there. That's crazy, right? They were a lot thicker than the set I have now, as y'all can see. Y'all can see the comparison. You know what I'm saying? These are a lot more, you know, I would say on the medium side, small to medium or regular size. But yeah, these were big tarantulas. You feel me? The big tarantula legs right there. That's crazy. But yeah, whole bag of them. Whole bag. That's crazy right there. And I kept them because I was like, hey, if I start back, I can show everybody how to add them back in. You know what I'm saying? I'm thinking about adding at least one in the back right here, because I got some hair right here like a fro, kind of right here. It don't look bad, you really can't see it, but I'm gonna add one right here, I'm thinking, and doing a video about it, you know, so y'all can see how to add locks. If it don't look right, you know, I'm gonna, you know, take it out. But if it do, I'm gonna keep it in there, you know what I mean? Nobody else will be able to know. I'm gonna have to find a skinny lock out of this bag, because I don't want no, you know, real thick dread just looking off. You know, we ain't about to do that, but hey, yes. So I got my old dreads, and I got these right here. And who knows what I'm gonna do with the rest of them, you know what I mean? I might keep them. I might even eBay sell them one day when I become super famous. And I know that's weird, you know what I mean? But you never know. Somebody might buy them. But anyways, guys and girls, I had to get on here and show y'all, you know what I'm saying, how to make your locks look like this, even though they're 3 weeks old or less, you know what I'm saying? It is easy. Soon I'm gonna do a video of a lock, you know, a whole crochet hook routine or whatever. So hey, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, you know what I'm saying? Let's get locked in with Trey and Locked In fam on the up and up. Let's grow all this year and forevermore. But hey, you already know what it is. It's your boy Trey Smith, bringing you love, peace, and prosperity forevermore throughout your life. Don't you forget it. And I'll see you guys on the next video. All right, peace.